How's my hair?
Good. Yeah, it's good. How's mine?
What's up? It's good.
I got that one right here is weird.
Are you recording yet?
All right, let's start it.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Hey, this is Mr. V and Mr. B. We're here at another property in Burbank. So this property right here, let's go forward so you guys can see it, is a small apartment building, 5 units.
Commercial.
So we're going to go ahead and do a walkthrough with you guys and let you know what we're going to do and what we're going to look for, and then we'll have a progress report for you guys in another video. Here we go. So to start off, this property has a garage, a built-in garage.
Large two-car.
Two-car garage. I want to say, my car can't fit in here. And so in this two-car garage, when it's incorporated into the building where there's a living space around it, everything has to be fire rated. So if we have any ductwork coming in here, if we have a drywall, everything has to be fire rated. I think the code is for 3-hour fire rating. How are you?
Yeah. The doors are going to be 3 hour for sure, minimum.
And doors have to be solid doors and everything. So another property here, all gutted out. This property had asbestos everywhere. In the drywall and the floor. Yeah, slapping that. In the drywall, on the floor, and the ductwork. And you can see from one unit all the way through to the other, to the last unit. Show you some stuff. Well, one thing we're looking for is stuff like this. This is a riser. So this riser duct right here has been damaged, messed up, screwed up, everything.
Gotta go.
And hey, guess what we have here?
More asbestos.
Well, it looks like asbestos.
Yeah, we can't say it's asbestos for sure unless we're actually sending out to the laboratory and verifying.
We're
it.
not
But we
asbestos
can
inspectors.
pretty much confirm it's asbestos just by
So
looking at it.
when you walk through these properties, you want to make sure you're looking at things that may look like asbestos, especially in older homes. Anything that's built before 1974, there's a high chance of having asbestos inside the building. And we're on the top side of it. Here
That was that riser we're looking at down
is that riser. It goes up there. There's some more asbestos looking tape over there. And it goes into this large attic space. As you see here, the riser duct that was in this space was removed. There's some other riser ducts in this area too. Now, let's talk about this right here. This beautiful thing that was cut by a sawzall.
Done. Contaminated, forget about it.
This was removed by the general contractor. He said the homeowner put it in a couple years ago and he wants to reuse it. Well, fine.
Not anymore.
Oh, we can reuse it. Ain't gonna warranty it.
Yeah.
Let's take a look over here. Let's see how old this thing is. So what we're looking for is a serial number. On the serial number, you see there? Serial number starts at 17. That's 2017. Then it says 10. That's a 10th week of 2017. The rest of them is just a digit code.
Looks like it's been properly installed with locks and installation, though. Whoever did the original job did good.
Yep, Burbank requires them to put locks on it. Over here, our model number. This is a GSX 14, so it's just a Goodman standard system, straight cool. 14 SEER, 031, so it's 2.5 ton, 1 KC. So 031, usually you'll see 030, but on Goodman models, 031 is for long line set length. 030 would be a standard line set, no more than about 30 feet. What was that, Mr. Boudin?
Whoever owned this thing took really good care of it. I'm looking at the coils over here. Pretty clean.
It was on top of a roof. That's
that
all.
makes sense, yeah.
So everything was on top of the roof here, and the homeowner does not want to put a walking platform area because we are above 14 feet off the ground. And since we're above that length, he has to put a permanent ladder approaching the roof, and it has to be there has to be a catwalk or a service platform. As we see here,
Yep.
this is where that ductwork was removed and some more paper that looks harmful. Possibly harmful. Another riser duct in that location. Now, the attic space is real nice. It's real big.
Oh, they scrubbed it clean too.
And they scrubbed everything clean. Well, clean enough. The old air conditioning units used to sit in these areas right here. There was a platform here. The air handler sat on top. Return was underneath. The air would blow up into the attic space and get distributed throughout the house. So whenever we see a staircase like this, that's one unit. The other one that we just went through, that's 2 units. Now let's find our way around to the 3rd unit. 4th? Yeah, 3rd unit. Downstairs on the 1st unit, 2nd unit. Bathroom area, sorry, kitchen area and all that stuff.
This will be mirrored to this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go through here.
So look, we're showering over here. Your neighbor's showering over there.
Yeah, see? The showers are right next to each other.
Yeah, you put a window and watch each other if you like.
It's actually a toilet. That's weird.
Well, no, there was a toilet up there.
That's a toilet.
Oh, well, it's single. It's
And that's a sink. That's a guest bath.
Yeah.
That's a half bath.
Half bath. No. That's not even half bath. Quarter bath.
Sink and a toilet?
It doesn't. Yeah, it's a sink and a toilet. It's quarter. It's not a half because you're gonna get a shower.
Over here, they're gonna have tubs and stuff.
This is a full bath.
Yeah.
That probably was a bath. No, that's a
Three quarter bath is shower, standing shower.
3/4 when you have stand up. A full is when you have a tub as well.
More bad juju paper.
That could be glass. That probably is glass. You never know.
It's probably not.
Yeah, who knows? Don't inhale it. What was this? What was this, Mr. B?
That's where the old hair handler sat.
Oh, that's a drain pipe then, yeah. Okay.
Oh, stab lock electrical. Each one of these things are about
60
Are
amps?
these twins? About $80 for each one. So
How many amps is
I bet
this?
I'm gonna collect all those.
How many amps is this thing? Oh, this is a new one.
60 amp,
No. That's 250s.
50 amp feet.
50 amp feet.
Let's go next door.
Is that laundry room back there? Yeah.
Downstairs, this one is locked. That's another garage.
Garage, garage and laundry, probably.
Split garage.
That's a nice one.
Laundry.
How many doors is this? So it's.
It's got to be one for each.
Oh no, this is one.
4.
This is 5-car back here.
4 doors.
4-door, 5-car. No, 3-car, 5-car. Three doors, 5-car.
All right. And here we go. This is the.
Oh, look at this linoleum, man.
Yeah.
This is old linoleum, but we're older linoleum. Man, yeah.
2 layers.
The 60s or something right there. That's all 60s and 70s there. That's probably 50s, that's probably 60s, 70s. There we go, look at that. Yeah, look at that stuff. What does that look like to you?
That's ductwork. Oh, that's fiberglass. This is flex duct. So that's flex duct. I'm not too worried about any heebie-jeebie coronavirus, asbestos, or anything like that.
This is all new.
It's all the air conditioner that he wants to keep.
We got some new plumbing going, old plumbing, I don't know why, but we got it.
Yeah. Cast iron
I
to
hate to
the
repair. I
ABS.
mean, at this point they should have got it. Hopefully they will. We don't know.
Yeah. Or stab lock.
So we got it.
Like I said, the attic space is really big
Yeah,
and
it's
comfortable
nice.
to work in. You got a lot of height, as you can
Nice
see.
and clean. Not too many nails coming down. They'll take your head off.
Yeah, they're just putting that roof in too.
Yeah. So hopefully they'll use 4-inch nails so you can take your head off.
Yeah. When you're in the attic space, you
Yeah,
have
you
to watch out for
those.
roofing nails.
You see that big nail sticking out right above us? That's what's going to take your head. Definitely, you know when you cut yourself on one of those. It'll feel real nice and warm real quick.
See those nails? That's what we're talking
Oh yeah,
about.
those nails will cut you real good, real quick.
Well, all right, guys, we just did a walkthrough of another property that we're gonna get started on tomorrow. We're gonna have some delivery here and everything. We got 4 units being delivered and possibly another condenser for this one right here.
Give
All
us
right.
some feedback and make a video for us.
So why don't you tell us what you guys are doing out in the field?
Why don't
Let
you
us
make a
know.
video saying hello to us?
Yeah.
We'd love to see you guys.
Make a video, send it
Yeah.
through text message or
Any way you want.
however, email.
Yeah.
Make your own YouTube channel.
Thank you.
All right, guys, see you later.
We'll do it.